Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Do you get the feeling at times that you need some extra guidance to assist with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet? Do you feel lost and not able to gain a consistency with the keto diet and lifestyle? Well, I have a solution for some. And the solution is hiring either a dietitian, a ketogenic lifestyle coach, or a nutritionist to help you. Sometimes when we feel kind of out of sorts and we're not in sync with our diet and lifestyle and keto, we need some extra assistance. I know I did about 6 years ago when I first started keto. I was introduced to a dietitian through a gastroenterologist office, believe it or not. I have the condition of ulcerative colitis since I was a teenager. And what I was eating was really exacerbating or creating a lot of inflammation in my system. And my gastroenterologist and medical doctor, believe it or not, referred me to a dietitian in his medical office who really changed things for me dramatically so I could decrease the inflammation in my body through the foods that I ate, eliminating cheeses and dairy and nuts and nut flours and nut butters, and leading with nutritious proteins, staying away from carbs, staying away from those sugars and starches. And I created a whole different state of mind in how I was eating because of this dietitian that was giving me some initial instructions on how to do keto. This was like 6 or 7 years ago. So I truly believe in coaching and guidance. You know, the ketogenic diet has become increasingly popular over the years as it helps people lose weight, improve their health, and boost their energy levels. However, embarking on this journey can be daunting, especially if you're not sure where to start. That's where consulting a dietitian or a nutritionist or a ketogenic lifestyle coach comes in handy. These professionals are trained to give you the necessary guidance and support to help you achieve your health goals. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why consulting a dietitian or a ketogenic lifestyle coach or even a nutritionist is crucial for your keto journey. Now, education, getting professional guidance from a dietitian or a nutritionist or a ketogenic lifestyle coach will help you learn everything you need to know about the keto diet. This includes facts about macronutrients, the best food options, and how to prepare meals that align with your health goals. You'll also learn about different phases of the ketogenic diet, such as the initial phase and the maintenance phase. With this knowledge, you'll be able to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls that can derail your progress. And, you know, getting a coach, there's a lot of personalization there with a coach. He or she can customize your plan that suits your unique health goals. And there's no exact one template for everybody to assist them with keto. Everybody is different in terms of carbs, proteins, fats that they need. There's no perfect template for everybody. And your coach will ask you about your medical history, your lifestyle habits, your personal goals to craft a program that works for you. That they also factor in, food allergies or intolerances that you have to foods. Having a personalized plan will make your ketogenic journey easier and more enjoyable, knowing that you're on the right track. Also with hiring a coach, It helps with accountability. Having a dietitian or a ketogenic lifestyle coach or nutritionist means that you have someone to keep you accountable during your journey. And this is really key. They'll provide you with guidance on what foods to eat and avoid, and help you navigate challenging situations, such as attending social events while following a ketogenic lifestyle and diet. They'll also help you track your progress, which is really paramount, celebrate your wins, and make changes in your plan if necessary. And also, in working with a coach, it's very motivational. If you feel stuck or frustrated, they will get you moving forward. They'll be able to listen to you when you're struggling, offer support, and encourage you to keep going. They'll help you set realistic goals and provide with you tools to achieve them. The expert guidance and advice and motivation can mean the difference between success and failure for many folks. And also, in terms of hiring a coach, it really is helpful in terms of sustainability. A dietitian or a ketogenic coach, nutritionist can help you create a plan that's sustainable over the long term. And they'll teach you how to develop healthy habits and make better food choices that align with your lifestyle and personal preferences. They'll also help you create a system that allows flexibility and moderation to prevent you from feeling restricted or deprived. This sustainability is crucial for maintaining your progress and making sure that your ketogenic diet becomes a lifelong habit. So in conclusion, consulting a dietitian or a ketogenic lifestyle coach is an essential part of your keto journey. This expertise and personalized guidance, accountability, motivation, and sustainability are critical for achieving your health goals. With this help, you can avoid common pitfalls, make informed decisions, and enjoy the benefits that come with following a ketogenic diet. So if you're thinking of embarking on this journey, consider working with a professional to ensure your success. So again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button below this video. I greatly appreciate that. You will get informational videos like this many times during the week. And I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Take good care. We'll talk again with you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.